Okay, there were two methods to solve systems of equations algebraically, and they are substitution and elimination. And we're gonna do some. I'm going to show a few examples of using substitution and elimination with linear systems before we show using the same methods with nonlinear systems. The first example is in section 3.2, example 1. And here's our system of equations. It's two equations with two variables, x and y. And I'm going to solve it while I write down the steps, okay, on this side. So the first step is we're solving by substitution is solve one equation for one variable. Okay, looking at our two equations, you could pick either equation, either variable. There's not just one way to do it. Generally, we would try to solve for a variable, which makes our calculation simplest. And in this case, that would be solve the second equation for y. Because y has a coefficient of 1, our answer will be easier. If we solve for any one of these others, 2x, 4x, 3y, the very last step, you're going to be making fractions, and we don't want to do that. So this one here, if I solve for y, I'm going to add y to both sides and subtract 7 from both sides. Then y equals 2x minus 7, right? So solve one equation for one variable. In this case, it seemed like that was the right way to go. 2, substitute for that variable in the other equation. Meaning, we solved the second equation for y, so now we know y equals 2x minus 7. So in the first equation, in the place of y, put 2x minus 7. So I've just replaced this y with 2x minus 7.